Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. We are going to learn WH questions and answer part 1 in this lesson. I am Miss Bogragalatskalau, freelance language teacher. Thank you for joining this free language program. WH questions. WH Gasani. We are going to learn who, what, when, where, and why in this lesson. I would like to explain grammar here in order to support your easy, happy language learning. You see here how WH questions form in English and how WH questions form in Kachin Jinghpaw language. In English, WH questions follows an auxiliary verb like be, do, or have. After that, subject follows and main verb. You can see questions. Who are you? Where do you live? What do you have? Another question, what should I do? This form pattern is WH question follows a modal verb. After that, subject follows and main verb. For Kachin Jinghpaw, WH questions forming is different. You can see two questions here. Nango gdai rai, nangra go nga ai rai. Subject comes in the beginning of the sentence. After that, auxiliary verb or modal verb. After that, WH questions follow. Main verb will be in the between of WH question pattern. The question, nangra go nga ai rai. Nang is subject. Gra go. Nga ai follow. Nga ai is main verb. Gra go nga ai rai. Where do you live? Okay, let's move on. Let's learn who question. The sentence ending with gdai rai or gdai ta or gdai rai ta is the for who question sentence. Before practicing questioning and answering, I have one suggestion. Keep in mind that the words which have the same color are same meaning. For example, who, blue color, and gadai rai, blue color, they are the same meaning. So let's go. Question, who are you? Kasan, nango gadai rai. Nango gadai rai. Answer, I am little kon kon. Matai. Ngai go little kon kon re. Re is ending positive sentence. Question, who is she? Gasan. She go gadai ta. Question, who is she? Gasan. She go gadai ta. Answer, she is Mary. Matai. She go Mary re. Question, who is he? Gasan, she go gadai rai ta. Question, who is he? Gasan, she go gadai rai ta. Answer, he is George. Matai, she go George re. Answer, he is George. Matai, she go George re. Question, who are they? Gasan, Shantego Gdai Rai. Who are they? Shantego Gdai Rai. Answer: they are Mary and George. Matai, Shantego Mary te George re. They are Mary and George. Shantego Mary te George re. Question: who is Mary? Gasan, Mary go Gdai Rai ta. Who is Mary? Mary go Gdai Rai ta. Answer: Mary is my friend. Matai, Mary go ni menang re. Mary is my friend. Mary go ni menang re. Let's learn how to ask what time. The sentence that ending with King de Rai or King de Rai ta is the for asking what time. Question: what time is it now? Gasan ya go King de Rai. What time is it now? Ya go King de Rai. Answer: it is 8 o'clock. Matai ya go King Masat re. It is 8 o'clock. Matai ya go King Masat re. Now ya time King or aten. 8 Masat. Here we are going to learn what a question sentence. The sentence that ending with parai or pabot rai or paraita or pabot raita. These are to ask what question sentence. Question: what is your name? Gasan nang mingo parai. What is your name? Nang mingo parai. Answer: my name is Mary. Matai ngai mingo Mary re. My name is Mary. Ngai mingo Mary re. Question: what is this? Gasan ndai go parai. What is this? Ndai go parai. Answer: this is a school. Matai ndai go jong langai re. This is a school. Ndai go jong langai re. Question: what are these? Gasan ndai ni go pabot rai. What are these? Ndai ni go pabot rai. Answer: these are not schools. These are houses. Matai ndai ni go jong ni nre. Ndai ni go nta ni re. Nre is ending negative sentence. Question: what is that? Gasan torago paraita. What is that? Torago paraita. Answer: that is a hospital. Matai torago sirung re. That is a hospital. Torago sirung re. Question: what are those? Gasan toranigo pabot raita. What are those? Toranigo pabot raita. Answer: those are not sweets. Those are medicines. Matai toranigo mak ni nre. Toranigo si mawani or si ni re. Okay, let's learn when question sentence. The sentence ending with galore in between following verb. Gashbin. After that, ending with rai or raita would be for asking the question when. Question: when does the school start? Gasan jongguloi phang ai rai. Start main verb phang ai when does. Gloi phang ai rai. School jong I think you keep following the same color, same meaning. I will repeat again. Question: when does the school start? Kasan jong gloi phangai rai. When does the school start? Jong gloi phangai rai. Answer: the school starts at 9 a.m. Mathai jong king jaku tha phangai. The school starts at 9 a.m. Jong king jaku tha phangai. School jong. Start verb phangai gashbin. Time king or attend. At tha. Question: when do you go to school? Kasan nang jong de gloi sa ai rai. When do you go to school? Nang jong de gloi sa ai rai. Answer: I go to school now. Mathai ngaya jang jong de sa ai. I go to school now. Ngaya jang jong de sa ai. Go verb sa ai gashbin. To school jong de. Now ya jang or yap. Let's learn how to ask the where question sentence in order to know place or location. The sentence ending with gara, ko, rai in between main verb will be following, or the sentence ending with gnang, ko, rai, ta in between following main verb. This will be the pattern for asking where question sentence. Question: where do you go? Kasan nangra de sa ai rai. Where do you go? Nangra de sa ai rai. Answer: I go to the supermarket. Mathai ngai gat sengaba de sa ai. I go to the supermarket. Ngai gat sengaba de sa ai. Go verb sa ai gashbin. To preposition de. To the supermarket. Gat sengaba de. Question: where do they go? Kasan shante ganang de sa ai raita. Where do they go? Shante ganang de sa ai raita. Answer: they go to the school. Mathai shante jong de sa ai. They go to the school. Shante jong de sa ai. To the school jong de. Let's learn how to ask the why question sentence. The sentence ending with pamajorai in between main verb. The sentence ending with gning rai nata in between main verb will be pattern to ask why question sentence. Question: why do you sleep early? Kasan nang jau jau pamajo yup ai rai. Why do you sleep early? Nang jau jau pamajo yup ai rai. Early jau jau. Sleep verb yup ai gashbin. Answer: I sleep early because I have to get up early tomorrow. Mathai ngai jau jau yubai pamajo ngayang ngai pot de jau jau yup rot ra ai. I sleep early because I have to get up early tomorrow. Ngai jau jau yubai pamajo ngayang ngai pot de jau jau yup rot ra ai. Because pamajo ngayang sleep. Yupai get up. Yup rot ai have to get up. Yup rot ra ai tomorrow put them. Thanks for joining this program. I wish you to be happy and in good health. See you again.